Hey everyone, now we are going to unbox this parcel. So let's quickly start over here. For now, we are unboxing only one parcel. As of now, we have received only one. So let me open up. Okay, here we have the box. Okay, let me open up this. So let's see what we have. So we have some packaging, sponge packaging, and inside few more packaging materials. And here comes the item. Okay, this is little bit heavier. You can see a good heavy weight. So let's check some more packaging. That's all inside, nothing more. So let me quickly open this. So where should I open? So let me do random. Okay. Quickly, let's open up. Okay, actually we have medals over here. If you are following us regularly on YouTube and Instagram, you can see we have started selling medals also, accessories and medals. So for the medals category, we have a lot over here. You can see all our medals, also in good condition. He has mentioned as all are in UNC condition. So let me check, as I'm not sure how he mentioned as UNC. So let's check that. You can see the condition. So yeah, as he mentioned, all looks UNC. I'm pretty sure all are UNC. So let me quickly count how many we have. 3 and 6 and 9 and 12. So totally we have 12 medals, you can see. So for this video, short video, we have only 12 medals, but all 12 are different. As he mentioned, all 12 are different series, but in a good condition medal. So sooner these 12 will be on sale on our website. If you like, you can just check the link in the description. Hit that like button. Thanks guys.